Welcome back. Busy day, so... Kon, nabatohan daw yung RSQA? Nabatohan daw yung RSQA?
Anak ka ng pu.
Yeah, sun windshield. Pero may windshield din, di ba?
So, gawin natin ngayon, tanggalin natin yung windshield yun. So, tumagos dito sa glass mismo. So, malalaman
Ano yan,
natin.
galing sa highway? Rocket ship, no?
So, rocket.
Saan malaki ba? Kita natin.
So,
Grab.
malalaman natin kung tagos ka ba. Sa loob, laki.
Si Boss Master. So we'll see if the glass got saved by shield protection film. So right now, tatanggalin nila. Hopefully, it proves itself right. It's crazy how big this car is in person. So Autoskin's nano ceramic tint will give you the heat rejection capabilities and a very clear view from the inside, which will guarantee you safe drives and heat-free drives in this country's very bad weather. Even this Pista has tint. This Ferrari 488 Pista has Autoskin's nano ceramic tint and window protection film also, which was replaced because when the car was brought here, I think the windshield film was a little thin, so it was removed and replaced. So these two cars both have Autoskin's nano ceramic tint, and this has the windshield protection film. From what I know, this Lexus LM
Sana all.
is gonna be coated with Modesta's glass coating. Boss Prony, bronze package, diba?
Yes.
And guys, so the bronze package will include a full detail and Modesta's glass coating on the body of the car. BCO4 or O3, tama? O3. And pupuntahan natin ngayon ulit yung tatanggalin ng windshield film. No, isa lang? Yun lang. Tagos. Tagos, no? Malakas siguro yung pagka... Sa sobrang kapal nitong... Sobrang kapal niya eh. So, kung ganun, sobrang lakas talaga na impact. Pero na-save siya sa sobrang dalang crack, no? Feeling ko pag wala, malaking crack yan.
Nagabang yung dito.
Picture ko. The glass, the full impact of whatever rock. I don't consider S-Lux safe when it comes to these rock chips. They're everywhere. I'm gonna tell Frony now na tumagos siya. Fron! Tumagos! Ang bato. Tumagos. Pero feeling ko malakas eh, kung ganun eh. Kapal na ng windshield film eh.
Siguro ano yan, hindi na natin sure kung sa kalsada. Pero kung ganun damage, hindi siya pag normal na talog sa kalsada. Baka nalaglagan yung mas mabigat na bagay.
So na-save yung exterior part.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, sobrang laki ng crack pag walang film yan?
Oo, possible pang nabasag yan.
So guys, my Porsche 718 Cayman na kinakabitan ngayon ng exhaust. Tignan natin. Not sure lang kung anong brand. Check natin, tanong natin sa gumagawa. Ano ba tawag dito? Downpipe? Ano ba? Basta ito yung bago, itong Soul, ano? Soul. The exhaust is still stock. And yung pinalit is itong Soul na naka-label dito. Ito no? Itong mahaba. So this is the stock one. Stock right here. And this is what was changed. Right here. Okay, there you have it. 718 with the exhaust switch. Parang there's another car on the lifter, but it's a 992 GT3 RS, the black one. And so This car is being prepped for coating, and in front of me we have an Ipanema Blue 992 GT3 RS, which we smoked the headlights, which we've done on another black 992 GT3 RS last year. Bossing, kamusta? Tint? Pero tapos na yung tint nito, no? Ano shade nito? Light. Lahat? Light Supreme. So guys, that's our nano ceramic tint line in the light shade. Heat rejection. And, ano pa? Interior coating. Gagawin interior coating to. And beside we have a Ferrari F12 that got, as you can see, PPF. That's our PPF brand, Autoskin if you don't know. Look at that car. Definitely my favorite V12. Aside from the Aventador LP700.
Yo, Mari. So, ano nang ginagawa natin dyan?
Alcohol. Ano?
Alcohol para... So, glass coating na tayo.
Yung coating.
Okay. Suplado. Suplado. Start na rin pala kami mag-interior coating ng Tesla. So, check natin kung ano ng estado ng ginagawa ng mga boys natin. So, ito pala yung Tesla Cybertruck. So, hi Ivan. Sa tayo dyan. Anong ginagawa natin ngayon? Ha? Pag gising sa umaga, pogi. Pag tulog sa gabi, pogi pa rin. So, anong preparation yan? Para?
LPS.
Magko-coating tayo ng interior, tama? LPS is pang leather interior coat, tama? Suede. Maganda ng interior ng Tesla, oh. Laki, oh. Ayun, oh. Panasan maganda yun, ah.
Hanggang dulo. Tayo.
Okay. So, puntahan natin yung isang ginagawa natin, no? Harold! Ginagawa natin ngayon dyan. Bakit tayo may brush? Para? Ha? Bakit tayo gumagamit ng detailing brush?
Tanggal yung mga alikabok sa sinipit.
Okay, so yun. Yun guys ha. So ganun ginagawa namin. Hindi lang basta bina-vacuum. Kailangan gamitin ng mga tools. Sapo dyan, brush. Pakita mo nga harap yung brush. So yan. So malambot po siya guys. Hindi siya nakakatira ng plastic or leather, no? So yun. Yun lang tayo mag-detail dito. Super detail. Back my office. Yan. Pinakamasipag naming salesman, si Mr. Moises. Walang ginawa kundi maghanap ng client yan. Hanap lang. So, yun. Okay, that is for now. Bye!